Hey, it's Eric G from the Around the House show. Elevate your grilling game with the all-new Monty McGrill's Omni Pro series. The Eminence 405 is packed with cutting-edge features, blending elegance with expert-level performance. 4 powerful burners plus a side-searing station deliver 60,000 BTUs of precision heat. The Clearview lid lets you keep an eye on your masterpiece without losing heat. Stay in control with the smart Bluetooth app, track your temps, set timers, and get alerts from anywhere. The LED touch panel ensures effortless monitoring, even in bright daylight. Temperature sensing lights keep you grilling anytime, anywhere. This grill is built to last, and it's also backed by a 10-year limited warranty. The Eminence 405, where power, style, and innovation meet. Check it out and order your new grill at MontyMcGrills.com. That's MontyMcGrills.com.
Here is what is coming up on this week's episode of the Around the House show with Eric G. In the first hour, Eric sits down with Baldwin Hardware and talks about everything from doorknobs to cabinetry hardware for your home. Make sure you are subscribed to the show on your favorite podcast player.
It's one of the most highly touched spots in your whole entire home, your doors and your cabinet pulls. If you think about the amount of times that you have touch points and interactions with that, you want something that's going to be sturdy and it's going to last, and it's not the second you pull at it going to fall right off or going to feel like it's going to crumble in your hand. You need something with weight.
And the crazy thing is, too, is that all the oils in our hands are just like acidic. They love to eat it. Look at people that have knobless cabinets in their kitchen from the 90s or whatever. Destroys the finish.
Yeah.
You see the hand marks, you see the fingerprints, the whole thing, right?
Absolutely. And that's going to be tough, too, as part of the R&D stuff, like coming up with the mat that doesn't do that. Because early on, matte finishes with other brands, you'd come up and grab something, and it's like, I can see where you touch that every day.
Yeah, it's interesting.
In the second hour, Eric sits down with the Insurance Institute for Business and Home Safety and talks about steps you can take with your home to get it ready for this year's fire, storm, or hurricane season.
The petroleum products that make up the shingle. And so when those granules start to come off, especially due to foot traffic or scraping off, whether it's organic stuff or other things like even snow that might accumulate during severe weather, if somebody's going up there and shoveling that snow off, that can abrade those granules off. And that can accelerate how the roof is aging and diminish its performance. Yeah, it's real smart to be thinking, hey, what could be going on up there? And how do I make sure that I stay on top of that? Now, that's another thing that we haven't talked about yet that's probably good for folks to know. If you're interested and you decide to participate in Fortified.
All that and more on Saturdays Around the House show with Eric G. Heard on any podcast player.
Are you an Around the House insider? You get the entire episode of the big interviews plus a free 10-day trial and access to our entire catalog of shows spanning nearly a decade for only $4 a month. To find out more, head to aroundthehouseonline.com or in the episode notes below. Otherwise, you can hear this show on Saturday. Make sure you catch our new website that just launched at aroundthehouseonline.com, powered by Site Hype Designs. Join Eric on Thursday if you are a Around the House insider, or Saturday at our regular time for an all-new episode of Around the House.
Are you ready for a deep dive into the future of home building? Hey, it's Eric G. from Around the House. This week, March 15th, on the Around the House show, we sit down with Champion Homes to tackle some of the biggest challenges in housing today. From affordability to healthier living spaces, they reveal how factory-built homes are revolutionizing the way we live. Find out how Champion Homes is making homeownership more accessible and solving housing problems one home at a time. Don't miss this must-listen episode. Tune into your favorite podcast app or visit aroundthehouseonline.com. To find out more about how Champion Homes is changing housing, visit them at championhomes.com.